Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Puget Cooke error in the Modern Warfare 2. So I will show you the 3 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So moving to our first method, you just need to open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for your TEMP and then click OK. So here you will find a lot of the files and the folders. You have to just select all and then right click and then click on the delete. Basically you have to just delete all of the junk files and the folders from your PC or laptop that are causing this error in your game. So once this process complete, then you have to just again open your unbox and then this time search here for %temp% and then click OK, as there are a lot of the junk files and the folders here that are causing the serious errors in your game. So you have to just select all and then right click and then click on the delete. Don't worry, these all are the junk files, not the necessary files. If some files are interrupting for deleting, you have to just skip and then leave them. After completing this process, you have to just close this window and then you just need to right click on your recycle bin and then click empty recycle bin. Once this process complete, then you have to just restart your Modern Warfare 2 and this time your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you just need to restart your Modern Warfare 2 but this time in the offline mode. By doing so, your problem will be fixed, as in some cases this is the most effective method to solve this error. In some cases it is enough to restart your system to solve this error. So you have to must try this method as well. Now moving to our last and the final solution, you have to just uninstall your Modern Warfare 2 and then again reinstall it. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.